Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video, I am gonna tell you about how to fix slow charging problem in your OnePlus earbuds. Let's talk about this. So friends, if you are having the slow charge problem, firstly charge with the original OnePlus cable. So in this box there is a OnePlus cable in it. You can charge with this, so it will fast charge your earbuds. Then secondly, sometimes one is not charged properly or another one is fully charged, so you have to charge both of them at 100% volume earbud, and then you have to reset your earbuds through this touch sensor. Just long press these two earbud touch sensors for 10 seconds, and then it will be restart. And here it is, you can see red light is showing, it means it is not charged fully, so you have to charge it full and then you can use it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.